What's up, everybody? This is Colin Dijs from Debaru, and today we have another question coming in from Alexander, and he's asking, what are good resources for seeing previously successful landers? So we all want to see what works, and what do affiliate marketers use to find those landers? We use spy tools. So let's have a look at the best spy tools in the business. But before we actually check out the spy tools, I want to let you guys know that the Debaru Suite Beta program is officially open. My affiliate marketing platform I am developing, where you can use, while in beta, for free, landing page builder, spy tool tracker, cash flow manager, all my softwares. And you can get that in the link down in the description below, or go to www.debaru.com/beta. Enough of that, let's have a look at the spy tools, see what I recommend and see what I don't recommend, right? So basically my favorite spy tool, which I'm using right now, is Entrax. I use Entrax for push traffic and for native traffic. When I go with Facebook, I see I forgot a little mark there, I use Fisto. Another option in the market is AdPlexity. The reason I don't use it, it's crazy expensive compared to what these other tools offer, and I will actually show you. So I use Entrax. Basically, it has two different products. Well, dropshipping is in beta right now, so it's free, but they have push and I have native. And I have both, although I basically only use native. But yeah, it's basically a very, very nice tool. It has a tremendous amount more inventory than AdPlexity. So one, it's cheaper, and two, it has way more ads, and I would say a little bit better quality in my opinion. Very easy to work with. When you look at AdPlexity, they have mobile, desktop, native, push, e-commerce carriers, but I think each of them is like $150 each. Or something. I used to have an account, but I don't now. Yeah, $150 a month each, and they have many different versions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you buy all, it would be $900 a month. Just push and native. So that's $150, and this one is $250. All right, so that's $400. And if you buy Entrax, it is $130. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. $140. Yeah, $140 against $400. Well, makes sense. While I feel like Entrax and Entrax Push, Entrax Native have a lot better quality, more ads as well. So don't get me wrong, I'm not biased because I've used AdPlexity for a long time, very long time, but I made the switch a couple months ago to Entrax, and it's just better. It's just simply better. Fisto is what I use for Facebook because the other ones don't have Facebook. I made a couple of videos about Fisto. Right now it's free. While in beta, you can try it for free. Yeah, good inventory, clear, not super complicated, very straight to the point. You can visit the lander, you can download the lander. Very, very cool. Yeah, I would say very nice spy tool. There are others out there for Facebook which are comparable, but they're not free, right? You need to pay for them. And Vista right now is free, so take advantage of that. You can find successful landing pages based on the metrics they use. So I know Entrax uses gravity. This tool shows based on the amount of impressions, how many times it's been seen, how many likes it got on Facebook. So you can find successful landing pages that way. And of course, if you want pre-made landing pages, you can always join the free beta of the Debaru Suite, because the landing page builder has dozens and dozens and dozens of affiliate marketing templates, which you can use while in beta for free to your advantage. On www.debaru.com/beta, and you can try that tool for free as well. So basically a lot of options for these spy tools, a lot of successful landers out there, and you can find them using these tools. Alexander, I hope your question was answered. If you have a question and you want it answered, post it down in the comments below, or join the Facebook group, post it there. If it's useful, I'll take a screenshot and I will answer it on camera right here, right now. but at a later stage. So not right now. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.